Myself Nishayan from EC Department of HKBK College of Engineering. As we just stepped into the college, we just participated in Vriddhi 2K25 sessions, which was held by our college. It is not only the sessions about studying and all. It was so memorable, enthusiastic sessions which was held by Vriddhi. I can tell we participated in so many sessions like HR strategies, IoTs, AI applications, which all brought me a new perspective about technical. This only not helped me academically, it also boosted me technically and how can I present my ideas with the confidence in front of everyone. One of the most favorite sessions was IoT, which was held by our esteemed HOD of ECE, Mr. Dr. Manjunath sir. I would like to thank him for that session. So, it just introduced me hands-on project and AI applications, which made complex problems into easier and introduced me to real-world examples. I would like to really thank all of coordinators who helped who just guided us with confidence, patience, and everything. I would like to thank Department of Humanities, Danu sir, who held soft skills for us, and I would like to thank Department of ECE of HKBK College of Engineering. Thank you all.
Myself, Munawara Khanam, a first year student from EC Department of HKBK College. Vriddhi Student Development Program 2K25 was one of the most enriching experience of mine, which helped me to develop academically and personally. It helped me to increase my confidence, and I would like to thank our Professor Jessica for giving that business English session, which helped me to speak professionally and to speak fearlessly. And I would like to thank one and all and Department of Humanities and the Department of EC, and my special thanks to College of HKBK College of Engineering for arranging Vriddhi Student Development Program 2K25. Thank you.
Myself Namrata Khot. I am from ECE Department of HKBK Engineering College. I would like to thank for Department of Humanities and ECE Department. Thank you.